Here we go again, living the dream for another day in paradise. More block work. We're here for another day, and what a beautiful day. Let's get back to it then. Recharge the battery, forgot to charge it. We've done all this. We're going into the back now.
Telling her remarkable tale in a new... If you burn that candle correctly, the oil then dissipates back through the wax. But if you burn it quickly,
this course, see what it works. Okay, so we've gone for something like this in the end. It's probably wrong, but let me know what you think. A cut to here. Well, I'll run it from this end, full block, all the way in, whatever that is in there. Tied in anyway, so it's not going to go anywhere. But let me know your thoughts. Don't judge, guys. Quality control came along and told me to change this to a half. I made a mistake. We all do it. Better. No worries. Okay, now that I've finished the wall, it'd be nice to know everyone's take on it. Was I correct to turn it round to a half? In theory, looking at that, I don't even know what I was thinking. What's right and what's wrong? Let me know in the comments below. A bit now. Don't forget your wall ties, all 100 of them. That's that job done. Another day. Alright guys, I just want to show you where we're at 4 days later. All the lintels on and the block work over the lintels. All the bed sits done. Block work over the stairway with the brilliant scaffolding, part of the gable. All in all, pretty good job. We're off to somewhere else tomorrow to do some sort of storage cupboard or some sort out of blocks. Like I said, this is 4 up, 4 down, and it's nearly finished. We've put the plate on it's ready for roof really, that's what we're waiting on. And we can finish off the gables. So please let us know if you're enjoying the channel. Leave a comment, let me know. Like I said, with this, you're not going to be perfect every time. It's just all trial and error really sometimes. It's not going to be seen. I mean, it looks better than what it did down the bottom. See what I mean? But hey ho, on to the next job. Might be back here to finish off the gables, but also I might not. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit them likes and press that bell. Sometimes you just have to wing it, like me.